Welcome back guys to our DSA challenge series. This is the phase 3 of our series and the questions that we are tackling in this phase are based on linked list. The question that we are going to see today is partition list. So let us see what does the question says. The question says, given the head of a linked list and a value x, partition it such that all nodes less than x come before nodes greater than or equal to x. You should preserve, this is the main point, you should preserve the original relative order of the nodes in each of the two partitions. So let us understand this question with the help of an example. See, we were given a linked list 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, and 2. The value of x which was given to us is 3. So what we need to do is, we need to, all the nodes which have value less than x should come before the node having value greater than or equal to x. So the nodes which have value less than x are less than 3 are 1, 2, and 2. So 1, 2, and 2 should come before nodes having value greater than or equal to x. So 1, 2, 2 should come before 4, 2, and 5. The order will remain the same since the question clearly mentions we should preserve the original relative order of the nodes in each of the two partitions. So the nodes which have value less than 3 are 1, 2, 2, and this should come before greater than or equal to x. That is 4, 3, and 5. So the output will be 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, and 5. So I hope the question is clear to you all. Now let us see the approach of this particular question. The algorithm says we are going to make two linked lists, A-temp and B-temp. What we are going to do is, in A-temp, we are going to store all the nodes which have value less than x. And in B-temp, we are going to store all the nodes which have value greater than or equal to x. We will store them while traversing the linked list which was already given to us so that the relative order is also maintained. Once we are done with the traversing of the entire linked list, we will have nodes in A-temp as well as nodes in B-temp. Now we want A-temp should come before B-temp. So we will merge these lists using the next pointer and we will return the head. So I hope the approach is also clear to you. Now let us see the code for better clarity. In line number 15 and in line number 16, we have made two nodes, that is new L1 and new L2. We have taken two pointers, A-temp and B-temp. Now we are traversing while head is not equals to null. We are traversing to the linked list which was already given to us. We are checking if head value is less than x, then we will store it in A-temp. A-temp next, we will make a node and we will store it in A-temp. Otherwise, we are going to store it in B-temp. In A-temp, we will store all the nodes which have value less than x, and in B-temp, we will store all the nodes which have value greater than or equal to x. We will update the head pointer and we will continue the loop. Once the while loop is done, it means we have traversed the entire linked list. Then we will update the pointer. That is A-temp next equals to new L2 next. New L2 contains the head pointer of B-temp. So in this way, we will be able to merge the linked list, and then after that we will return new L1 next, which will give us the answer. So I hope the code is also clear to you all. This was pretty simple question. If the question is clear to you all, do share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.